Hey guys, this is how to find the maximal domain of logs. So we've got a log function here, and the first rule we need to know is ln, this value must not equal 0, or the function will be undefined. Or you can view it as also log 10 to the power of 0. You can't let this value equal 0, or it will be undefined. So the first step to actually solving and finding the maximal domain is to make this value, so let's say 5 minus x, greater than 0. Because the value cannot be 0, so it must be greater than 0. Now we can solve for x. So go minus x is greater than minus 5. Then remember, when you're cancelling out these negatives, the sign actually changes. It flips around. So it will be x is less than 5. And hence our answer should be negative 5 to, negative infinity to 5. And for the next one, we do the same thing. So 3x plus 9 is greater than 0. Now 3x is greater than negative 9. X is greater than negative 3. So for this one, it would be negative 3 to infinity. Next one is 2 minus x is greater than 0. Minus x is greater than negative 2. And now the sign changes because we cancel these two out. So it will be x is less than 2. And hence our answer will be negative infinity to 2. Like that. Now for this last one, it's quite tricky. So we've got x squared minus 1 is greater than 0. Now x squared is greater than 1. And now here's where it trips you out. So you got x is root of 1. And root of 1 is just 1. But it will be plus minus 1 because it's plus minus root 1. So to write this out, we'll have to do, so it'll be negative infinity to negative 1 union infinity to 1. And that's how you do that question. I hope you guys understood how to find the maximal domain of logs. And I hope this video helped you a lot. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you.